Hello to everyone in the SkillsUSA Vermont organization.
We welcome you to a new year of our organization and are excited to kick off a new chapter in our work to celebrate career and technical education in the state of Vermont.
Despite the turbulence of the past few months, SkillsUSA Vermont is back bigger and better than ever.
And we are determined to bring you new opportunities to showcase your skills, leadership, and career readiness in the 2020-2021 school year.
Throughout the school year ahead, look to your SkillsUSA advisors and student leaders as we unveil new opportunities, professional skill development workshops, and updates about the career contest for the Spring Leadership and Skills Conference.
This year we lowered our membership fees and will strive to include every student who wishes to showcase their skills statewide.
Whether our conference will be held in person or remotely, we are here all year to provide every career and technical education student the opportunity to connect with their peers, learn from industry professionals, and to showcase their excellence as champions at work.
Through all the unknowns, our organization remains at the forefront of CTSO leadership in providing students opportunities to take their learning beyond the classroom and empowering them as students, citizens, and professionals for years to come.
We'll see you all in November for our virtual fall conference.
And look out for announcements about our spring conference soon.
Thank you, and congratulations to all of you as future champions at work.